Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to show you a wonderful and easy to follow along recipe that you can do in the comfort of your own kitchen. It's actually one of my favorite recipes as it is very easy and very fast. It's gonna be a fried salmon sandwich, and we're gonna need a couple of ingredients for it. We're gonna need some salmon, some herbs, mayonnaise, an onion, 2 eggs, a little bit of lemon juice, some hot sauce, and of course some toast. Now before we get into it, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any future videos we upload on our channel. If you would like to do this recipe yourself, we're going to leave the recipe in the description below, so go check it out and enjoy it. The first thing we have to do is to fry up the fish. Gotta give it a little bit of seasoning, salt and pepper, all to your liking. While the fish is frying up, we're going to prepare the other ingredients so that we can have our sauce ready for when the fish is about to get mixed in. Now you take a good chunk of parsley. We don't need everything. I'll put it back in. And chop it up. Chop it up into, well, just as tiny as you can, basically. So that'll be enough. Put it all to the side. Take a little bit of green onions. Oh. I gotta fix this. Safety first. Now, when chopping the herbs, you better be careful not to cut your fingers, okay? We don't want you to get hurt. Good. Put that to the side. Take about a quarter onion. Peel it. And also chop it. You don't have to worry about the fish. It doesn't have to look beautiful, as it's gonna come all together in the bowl. Okay. The fish is about to be done. And in that time, we are gonna get the toast ready. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the mayonnaise, herb and onion mix with a little bit of lemon juice and some hot sauce. Use that to your liking. Now the recipe recommends to use Tabasco, but I don't really like Tabasco, so I chose the piri piri, which is a lot more subtle, because when you use Tabasco it actually takes over and everything smells of Tabasco, which I don't really like that. So we're gonna use that, not Tabasco, but you can use whatever sauce you like. It's up to you. Okay. So here we go. Taking a little bit of mayonnaise. It's gonna be about what, 60 grams or something. Maybe a bit more. Can never be too much mayonnaise. Give it a mix. Shake it. And some hot sauce. Yes. Okay. Now, you're gonna add the salmon to it. To our mixture, make sure to get everything. And it's all gonna be mashed up. Really nice. I'm gonna go with a little bit of more seasoning. Pinch of salt. Mix it really well. Give it a really good mix, okay? Good. It also is very important to try now and then. I mean, you want to know what it tastes like, right? Oh yeah, that's coming along really good, really good, really good. Okay, so our mixture is ready. Okay, so the mix is ready, and what we have to do now is we're gonna spread it evenly on one side. Press it firmly. I mean, this is supposed to be a recipe for at least 8 pieces, but I'm only gonna make 2 today, as I'm not gonna eat that much anyway. Okay, so once that is done, heat up the pan a little bit more again. Once that is done, you can close the sandwich. So, like so. We're gonna take an egg. Now we need an egg. Beat an egg. Then we're going to put a little bit of butter in the frying pan. Just a little bit. Now, and In this beaten egg, we are going to roll our sandwich, completely cover it. If you like, you can add a drop of milk. That makes the egg a little bit runnier and easier to beat. Okay, you gotta make sure you cover the whole sandwich in this beaten egg, like so. Here we go. The next step is to put it in the pan. You fry the sandwich at low heat. This is gonna be pretty quick. Fry it from all sides. In the meantime, we're gonna dip the second sandwich into the egg. It's almost done. It's almost done. Okay. Flip it. Fry the second one. It's been a while since I've done this recipe, but I really like it. I really do. Easy to make and lovely to eat. Why don't you tell me what your favorite recipes are? Just leave a comment below, okay? I would like to know. I really do. I'd like to know. So there you have it, folks. 2 wonderful sandwiches made in no time. And now it's time to test what I've created. Look here. Look at this. Doesn't it look awesome? Oh, doesn't it? It looks delicious, right? Oh, so good. Wow. Spot on. Well, that's it for today's video. It was a pleasure showing you one of my favorite and easy to make sandwich recipes. Okay, I will continue enjoying my sandwich here, and I will see you guys very soon. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss out on any future videos we put out. And until next time, see you, your world traveling foodie.